Okay. Now, I have to explain you the story, right? So let's get started. Uh, I'm going to display the book. Seth, are you there, Seth?
Yes, sir.
You will have to help me for explanation. That means you will have to read paragraph by paragraph.
Yes, sir. Yes. The reading the narrator recounts a personal experience of riding a roller coaster. She was scared of trying. Find out what valuable lesson she learned that day.
Okay, hold on for a minute. Now, students, the story always starts with two important lines. These two lines gives us the main idea of what story is about. The narrator here recounts the personal experience. Now, what is the meaning of narrator? You need to know the meaning of narrator. What do you mean by narrator? It's a simple question.
Sir,
What?
anyone that explain or tells the what happens.
Anyone who tells you or explains you or describes the situation, what happened exactly. So that person is called narrator. Very right answer. Okay. So here the narrator is a small child. She is a girl. She is a girl and she is going to share one personal experience when for the first time she sat in the roller coaster. It was obviously very scary. She was very scared of trying that. But for the first time, she did it. And when she stepped out of the comfort zone, when she did something which she was not ready to do, what did she learn? Everything, every experience, every single detail we will see in this story. Chef, please continue.
Yes, sir. It's good to it's good to step out of your comfort zone, whether whether it's trying something new or making friends. My experience was riding a ride that seemed big to 11-year-old me. California Screaming in Disneyland was my first upside down roller coaster.
Okay. Now, students, in the first paragraph, the narrator itself says that it is good to step out of the comfort zone. That means it is good sometimes to do the things which you don't like or you are not ready to do. Whether it is trying something new or making friends. Sometimes it happens that you don't like new to make the new friends, you don't like to talk to someone, but sometimes it is good to do the things for which you are not ready. It teaches you a lot of things. That is what here narrator is trying to explain you. She says that my experience was riding a ride that seemed big to 11-year-old me. So what was the age of narrator?
11
11
years
years
old.
old.
11.
Okay, what is your age, children? 11 or 12, right?
12.
12. Yes.
Sir, my 11.
12.
11.
11.
11.
Okay, beta. So narrator was either in the fifth or in sixth standard. She was so small as you people are. Okay. So just imagine that narrator is one of your classmates. She is of your age. Now, California Screaming. The name of the roller coaster was California Screaming. Actually, screaming spelling ends with G. But G is not there. That's why they have put apostrophe mark after N. Screaming in Disneyland was first upside down roller coaster. So where was California Screaming?
In Disneyland. In Disneyland.
I think only one boy is there. All the other are the
Disneyland.
girls.
Disneyland.
Disney.
In Disneyland.
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 Okay. So now narrator said that it was my first upside down roller coaster. You need to understand this upside down. Let me show you something. Okay. When the person's head is down, legs are up. It is called upside down. Okay. So narrator said that these roller coaster cars even went upside down. Means when you sit in that roller coaster, it goes like this. Your head comes down and legs goes up. And it is in too much speed. So just imagine how hard it would have been for narrator. She was already afraid of height. But this California Screaming, when it went up in the height, it even went upside down. So just imagine, students, you went on the 11th floor and you went upside down. How bad it is to look down. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in first paragraph, anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I hope my language is easy for you to understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, as this paragraph is big, I will explain you 2 or 3 lines together. So I have to read this. Please pay attention here because I will be asking you the questions after finishing this. Disneyland is always a fun place. They have small rides for the kids and big rides for adults who are kids at heart. There are many rides that look threateningly big through the kid's eye, and California Screaming looked terrifying to me. Okay. Now here, narrator started describing how the Disneyland was. How it was? It was fun place. You know, students, Disneyland is so big, so big. All the types of rides, kind of scary house, shopping center, there even canteen, everything is there. Obviously, it is theme based. Mickey Mouse is the theme over there. So it is so much fun place, and they have small and big rides for the kids and for the elders, for the adults. And narrator says that few rides were so big and scary. Even when we look at it from far away, we can see people shouting. And then she says that California Screaming was the biggest ride and the scariest one. It was terrifying. That means, terrifying means what?
Sir, I think scare.
Scary, exactly. When you look at it, your eyes remains open, your mouth remains open, and you are very much afraid of sitting in it. That's called terrifying. So narrator says that this was the biggest one. It went up and up and up and up, and then it went upside down. So just imagine how scary it would have been. As I passed the ride, I could hear screams and the swooshing noises of the coaster car cutting through the wind. Now, narrator says that, okay, let me draw one thing here. Here, the narrator says that when she came near the California screaming, she can hear people sitting here shouting loudly. Few were shouting because of enjoyment, few were shouting because they were very much afraid. Then she said that it was too much speedy, that she can even listen to the sound of wind blowing near the car. Zoom. This kind of noise was there when the car went and passed by. The passengers reached the top of the hill, stopped, then sped down, waiting to be caught by the tracks. Narrator says that passenger went up and at the top of the hill, and then they waited for the car to get down. Zoom. So it went up slowly, and stopped here. And then it went down in very much speed. Zoom. Within 1 second. I winced as the coaster raced down the hill. Yes, drops really scare me. But the only thing worse was going upside down. Could you fall out? Here narrator says, yes, can you see people the picture of California screaming?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many people are sitting in one car?
Six.
6. 2. 7. 7.
Seven.
What, 7?
Two. Six.
2 are sitting in one car. 2
Sir,
are
in one.
sitting in one car.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so now narrator says
8.
that, thank you, mute your mic. Now narrator says that when she saw here, people were really enjoying, but she says that only the bad thing which she felt was going upside down. Going, where that picture went? I drew the picture here. Oh, it went away. So narrator says that only the worst thing was when these cars went upside down. She said that, will you not fall down? So heavy car. Just see, so many people are there. So many people. And it went upside down. Just imagine, because of the heavy load, if it went down, what will happen? What will happen if it went down? People will die, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
The structure of the ride just went up and up and up into the sky. Heights were not my thing. So here the narrator says that, yes, it went up and up and up, and she was very much scared of that thing too. I started walking faster to get away from the frightening thrill of California screaming. I could see the boardwalk in the view. Now the narrator says that when she came near California screaming, after seeing all these things, narrator started walking fast so that she can go away. And there, here somewhere, she saw the boardwalk. That means the garden, benches, the trees. She saw that thing here. Almost there, maybe we would play some games. I just had to pass this ride and I was there. So narrator says that, okay, I have to just pass this area and I will reach in the garden. Then she says that, okay, I can at least play here. I don't want to sit in this ride. Now let's see whether narrator reached to the garden or not. When I had almost passed the long line of the people waiting, I noticed the sunburned waiting riders. Now narrator says that there was a big line for the people who wanted to sit in the California screaming. Then she says that when she passed the line, she saw that people were waiting under the sunlight. They were sweating, so much of perspiration was there. They were feeling so much hot, but still people were waiting to sit in which ride?
California scream. California scream.
California
California's
screaming.
screaming, yes. Okay. They looked impatient as they leaned against anything they could find. Now, let me turn on the camera. Otherwise, I will not be able to explain you this part. Shall I turn on the camera and explain you this part?
Yes, sir.
As you like, sir. Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And here my camera is. So people, now the narrator said that people waiting in a long line, they were standing like this, like this, like this. To lean on something means to take the support of something. The grill over there, they might be standing like this, like this. So that is called to lean on something. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here narrator says that they looked impatient, means they were very much excited to sit. They were leaning on something, they were waiting for their chance to sit inside. I slowed to walk as I examined the people around me. So narrator, who was walking very fast and fast and fast to cross this line and to go in the garden because she was afraid of this. So she said that I again slow down here to watch the people who were waiting. This was just slow enough for a familiar sweaty hand to grab me by my shoulders. So now she said that why she became slow, students? Because when she almost crossed this, she saw her family standing here, brother, father, and mother. How many people were there?
Four people. Three people. Mother, father, and mother and father, mother, and brother.
Three people.
Yes. Other than narrator, three people were there from her family. So when narrator was trying to cross this area, she saw her family standing here and she said that she had to become slow because the family was calling her, come here, we want to sit in the ride. So narrator did not want to sit in the ride. Let's see what will happen now. What do you think, students? Now what will happen?
Sir, narrator enjoy the ride.
I know that, but now what will happen? What do you think?
So narrator will not afraid any more time from this ride and hide.
Sir,
Phobia
now
will go.
ride. Sir, now ride zigzag. Happen zigzag.
Okay, so let me ask you a few questions before we go ahead. First question is to Gayal Mohammed Zaid.
Yes, sir.
Gayal Mohammed Zaid, the narrator, what was the age of narrator? What was the age of narrator? Age. Gayal Mohammed Zaid. So Khail Mohammed said, write it 10 times. She was 11 years old.
Yes, sir.
Come on, start writing. Mute your mic. Okay. Rajani Shahanaza Ali Raza.
Yes, sir.
I forgot your name, I think. That means you have to speak your name, beta.
Safdar Abbas Rajani.
So, okay. So, Safdar Abbas, tell me, what was the name of the place where California Screaming was? In which place it was? The name of that garden. You joined the lecture right now, beta, or you were there from the beginning? आपने अभी लेक्चर ज्वाइन किया या पहले से थे बेटा?
सर मैं सेकेंड लेक्चर से ज्वाइन हुआ था, वो नेटवर्क इशू था इसलिए।
हाँ, तो आपने ये लेक्चर तो ध्यान से सुना ना बेटा, मैंने जो भी समझाया?
हाँ सर, वो थोड़ा अच्छे से सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था।
Okay, so let me ask you one easy question. Okay, what is the meaning of narrator? I explained in the starting meaning of narrator.
यस
Okay, no problem. Now, if you cannot hear me properly, you will ask me the question that, sir, please repeat, okay? But don't remain silent in the group if you want to understand the story.
यस सर।
Okay, beta, mute your mic. Yes, Hassan, what was the name of the place?
Yes, sir. Disneyland.
Disneyland, exactly. And what is the meaning of narrator?
Sir, means
No,
telling.
sir is not the meaning.
Sir, I'm telling that. Meaning
Yes.
narrator means someone tells or describes that what happened.
Narrator means a person who is describing the situation. Okay, Safdar Abbas, now it is clear which place it was?
यस
Which place it was? Disneyland. Which place it was?
डिज्नीलैंड।
And what is the meaning of narrator? A person who describes the situation. Okay. Next question to Mohammad Raza Nayani.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mohammad Raza Nayani, upside down means what? Upside down.
Upside down. Upside
There is
down.
a lot of noise. There is a lot of noise in your background. Please mute your mic. Okay. Shafiq. Lakhani Hassan. Lakhani Hassan.
यस सर।
Uh, is it compulsory to call your name 2 or 3 times? Only then you people will answer?
सर माइक इज नॉट ओपनिंग।
Okay. Your question is, what is the meaning of upside down? Hmm? Okay, Seth, what is the meaning of upside down?
Sir, upset.
Upside down.
Sir, the um,
Why today you don't have
sir, I
any
don't know.
words? Upside down. It's very easy.
Sir, the up. Sir, I don't know.
People, when your head goes down and your leg comes up, that is called upside down. Upper part, that means head goes down and legs goes up. That is called upside down. Okay? Boys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Great.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. Wait. Okay, those who want to read, they will raise the hand.
Sir, can I
Those who
repeat,
want to
sir?
read, they will raise the hand. If you don't have the facility to raise the hand, type the
Sir,
message.
can I say Muhammad Zaid?
I said don't speak, raise your hand. Yes, Mohammed Zaid.
Hey, my mom said, why don't we ride this? She points up to roller coaster that I had been fearing. No thanks. I quickly replied. I tried to hurry on, but no luck.
Okay, wait. Now let me explain this much. So, here, hey, my mom said, why don't we write this? So, narrator says that her mom called her and her mom said, why don't we write this? So, when her mom was speaking, she was pointing towards California screaming. When her mom was speaking, she was pointing towards California screaming. Means her mom was saying, why don't we ride this? Why don't we sit in this ride? No thanks, I quickly replied. So narrator, 11-year-old girl, she immediately said, no mom, I don't want to sit. No thanks. I tried to hurry on, but no luck. Then narrator said that I tried to say no and go away. But she said that I did not had good luck. My mom pulled me towards California screaming. Okay, any doubts in these three lines? Anyone?
No, sir. No,
कुछ भी
sir.
डाउट है तो आप पूछ सकते हो.
No, sir. No
No, sir.
doubt.
No, sir. No, sir. No doubt.
Okay. So let me ask you the questions.
Sir, what
Mute your
mean by
mic.
fear?
Yes, your voice is cutting off, dear.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, sir. What mean by fearing?
Fearing
Yes.
means she was afraid of. She was afraid of that, and her mom was taking her towards that ride. Saf, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else?
No, sir.
Okay, let me ask you the question. Okay. Again, I started with Safdar Abbas. So, Safdar Abbas, again, question to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, what was the age of that girl, the narrator? So, Safdar Abbas, your homework is you will watch this video lecture again, beta. You will read first page. Tomorrow, I will ask you the questions from it. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let me ask the question to Gabrani Rehan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your question is what is the spelling of California screaming?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Hmm.
California, California, SC R SC
No, not double
SC
R.
SCR
Hmm.
E AMING.
Actually, your spelling is right, but here in the story, SCREAMING is not there. They have just written N, and at the end, they have done apostrophe mark. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Next question to Mahir Bharucha. Bharucha Mahir, please answer me.
Sir, can I?
Yes,
Farhan Ali
sir.
Merchant.
Yes, Faranali. Just after Mahir, I will take your chance. Okay? I'll
Okay,
give you
sir.
the chance. I'll give you the chance. Don't worry. Yes. Mahir,
Yes.
what was the age of that girl, the narrator?
What was the
What was the age of the narrator? This means you did not listen to the story properly. Yes? It means that you were not paying attention in the story. Why so? पीपल आई वॉन्ट टू गिव यू वन स्मॉल इंस्ट्रक्शन अगर आप स्टोरी ठीक से सुन रहे हो यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्टोरी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आपके लिए इजी हो जाएंगे क्योंकि आपको स्टोरी मालूम है यू विल बी एबल टू लर्न क्वेश्चन आंसर्स वेरी इजीली दिस इज अ गुड ट्रिक बट इफ यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज द स्टोरी हाउ विल यू लर्न क्वेश्चन आंसर्स यू हैव टू जस्ट बाय हार्ट देन so that is not good. Please make sure from the next lecture you pay attention properly. People who did not understand will watch this video lecture again, the recorded lecture. Okay? Take care. Have a nice
Okay,
day.
sir.
Sir,
Bye.
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 Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Bye,
sir?
sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
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 Bye, sir. Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. 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 Bye.
सहल मद्रासे आएगा। सहल છે सहल.
Recording start.
યો
Recording starts, everyone.
યસ વીરો. હા જાત મેમને કરીને આવ ફોન કરીને રેકોર્ડિંગ ચાલુ.
મુકામ પણ મારી પાસે નંબર નથી.
વોટ્સઅપમાં હશે ને ગ્રુપમાં.
લાવજ ને કે એની પાસે એની પાસે ઢગલો નંબર છે લિસ્ટમાં.
છે જ ક્યાં.
લાવજને હું ફોન
રેકોર્ડિંગ
કરું
ચાલુ
ને.
છે.
હવે આપણા ગ્રુપ બનાવ્યું છે રોકિંગ બોય એમાં આવાજ ફટાફટ.
હેલો. હેલો કેમ ગયો અહદ. અહદ હેલો અહદ.
Recording ચાલુ.
અરે હા અહદ ને ફોન કર.
હા કરું છું.